Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, what we're going to do, we are going to summarize and analyze the meeting notes using the Claude. So I have already saved the transcript of a meeting over here. It's a very, short meeting, just of 48 seconds, because I just want to do for the conceptual and tutorial basis. So it's a whole made up kind of a transcript. So it's not real, but I'm just gonna go ahead and give it a single prompt. You guys can use separators, or you guys can use the brackets to differentiate between the transcript and the prompt. So here, just tell it to summarize and analyze and tell me about the So what it will do now, it will start analyzing and summarizing the meeting, and it will tell me about the meeting notes and the key takeaways right over here. So it's a very simple, very easy step to do. Just copy and paste the transcript that you have. Also, if you have a file about it, just upload it, go to the plus sign, go to the add files option, and then upload it. Even if you have a recording, you guys can upload an MP3 or the other file simply, and you will be having a clear transcript of its own, but it will consume more connects and credits. So here you will see the participants: Anna and Bob, representative, duration 50 seconds. Bob walk in, Anna through to core, Chris feature. Key takeaways. Here are the key takeaways, action items. Anna should enable the press before her next scheduled meeting to experience the transcription and summary feature firsthand. So this is pretty easy and pretty simple. I hope you find this really helpful. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.